I'm not getting paid. He's getting paid the money. I'm not getting paid. And again, you know my first question, do you have an operating agreement? The answer is no. Or if I have, yes, but it doesn't have a lot, doesn't have, we got something from the web. In sometimes cases, I get some prepared by attorneys that do not have those provisions. So it's incumbent upon you to understand what should be included there and get the proper legal advice from somebody who actually has written those before. Whether the business is going to be reinvesting the profits, and when and how much. So this is something that should be addressed right from the very beginning. And I'm telling you this, if you do not agree on these terms before you get into the partnership, it's not going to get better. So you have to make that sure that you agree to these terms right at the beginning. Otherwise, very likely it's not going to be a successful partnership. And I would advise you, say, well, let's get through this and we'll figure that later. That should not be the case. This is something that should be addressed right at the very beginning. Yes, and how you will be compensated, or if you will be compensated. There's nothing wrong to say, okay, we're not going to get compensation for 1 year. If you can handle that, that is fine. As long as you agree to it, there's nothing wrong with making that decision. The problem that I see here is that people have an expectation that they're going to get paid because they worked a partnership, but that was not discussed beforehand, and that leads to the problems that end up calling an attorney. So, well, I didn't get paid for 6 months, for a year, I worked a business, and I don't have an agreement. And there's so much we can do. So as a business owner, it's your responsibility to make sure that you have the agreement in place that protects you. Mistake number 8, bringing in friends or family without proper due diligence or expectations.